A powerful shout out to all my new subscribers. It's a new day for food adventure. And today we're not just cooking any soup, but it's 80% onions and 100% delicious. Let's dive in. This soup is called onion soup for a reason. I have here 4 kilos of onion, and the best onion to use is red onion, not the white one. To have the best taste, the sweet taste, you use the red onion. And then we have 1 kg of fresh tomatoes here. And also I will be using spice pepper. This is a mixture of garlic, red peppers, cinnamon, coriander, and lots more spices. And also I have mixed spice here, garlic, ginger, clove, and cinnamon with the salt to taste. So it's time to start blending our onion. You can either blend your onion or chop. I'm done blending this onion, and after blending in batches, I poured in all the blended onion into the pot. Already the pot is on the stove. I'm using electric stove because it's going to take a long time before it gets done. Cover to steam for about 10 minutes, and remember to stir from time to time. And it's time to add our blended tomatoes, the 1 kg tomatoes. You can blend it roughly or you just chop and add to it and stir from time to time. After boiling for about 5 minutes, you can add your meat. This is freshly sliced beef. I'll add it to it, and also chicken. The story behind this chicken is a long one. My kids were so emotional because I had to make use of live chicken. I could have released the video, but right now I don't have the strength to do that. So with time, I'm going to release it. It was really an emotional time for them because it's like I took away their pets. So continue to stir your your onion and tomato stew until it's well cooked. Make sure the meat is tender enough before adding other ingredients. Yes, I've added all the spices, the spice pepper, and also the the mixed spice and the salt. Remember not to have add too much salt. Add your salt little by little at a time. And one secret about cooking a delicious meal is to avoid adding too much salt. You should enjoy the natural taste of your food. And here the meat is almost done. In fact, right now I think it's just okay after like cooking for about 30 minutes or so. And it's time to add our oil. You can use vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil or any oil of your choice. Is okay. But remember to keep stirring, and it's good to use a non-stick pot to avoid your stew sticking into the pot and getting burnt. So our stew is ready and already is full of flavor. I'm going to add boiled egg also, a boiled egg, just to for extra protein. And you remember to poke into your egg before dropping into the stew, so as for the egg to suck in the delicious taste of that soup. This soup is rich in vitamin C to boost your immunity. It reduces inflammation and can clear your mucus in case you have cold symptoms, and also helps flush out toxins and excess sodium in the system, and has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Just look at the soup, see how wonderful it looks. Would you love to try this? It's a whole bowl of health, and you can use this also as soup and sauce for other food, not just one or two food. You can use it for your as sauce for your yam, as a sauce stew for rice, white rice, and other things. So you can just make it in large quantity at once and then store in your fridge. So it's time to eat with this wonderful stew. And I'm calling on you to join me on the table while we're dishing an Ethiopian delicacy. You know, one thing about this food is that you get addicted to it. Once you start eating it, it happened to me, it happened to my kids also. Once you start eating, you just fall in love with this food. It's so delicious. You can see the combo, and this is how it's being served in a family. We eat together, And that is the Ethiopian style actually. They have a big bowl, they dish in all the food, the soup, different vegetables and everything. And if you want to know how I made all these other ingredients added to the food, like the vegetables, the pink soup there is made from lentils. I will drop the link in the comment section, even on the screen. You can click and watch. I really appreciate your patience. Thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead right now and do so. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.